not friendly. Right there, cleaning his car. Tried to talk to him as he went by. Just being a total jerk. Some people are just miserable. I guess they really don't like the snow. Alright, so now that I'm up here at 12 feet at least, I'm about to go crumbling down. Look at that. It's awesome. So, let's make the trip down now. Made it a little easier for somebody to make the trip up. So 12 feet. That was fun. That guy right there was not nice. He had an attitude. People just don't know how to go with the flow. You know, it's winter time. Buried. You can't even see the front of this car. A lot of people did a great job moving their cars and stuff in the middle of the night. They actually came out and moved as the plows came in, so that this way they wouldn't be buried. This one's pretty big. I think this one's maybe 14, maybe 15 feet high, at least. It's like a, what do they call this thing? A glacier. It's like a glacier. It is solid. Look at that. Like they piled it so high, they couldn't pile it any higher. It's the post office. They didn't even run today. Everything was shut down.